Good morning, friends. Today our activity is Jello digging. So the items we used are Jello, and then we used dinosaurs, rubber duckies, and for this one we used letters that we found at Dollar Tree. And we did wash them off and disinfect them before we play with them. And we made the Jello first, and then we just mixed it all together there. And we're gonna go ahead and give the kids a spoon so they can dig. And if they want to eat it, it's fine because it's Jello. Here you go, Ziggy. Here's your spoon.
Get that letters. Get your letter. Get your letter.
And this is a good sensory activity. Oh yeah.
It's a dinosaur. You wanna play with that one dinosaur? You can play with it.
They can use their hands if they don't want to use a spoon.
Oh, he tasted it. He's like,
Yes, that's
yummy.
good. You're gonna taste it, Kai?
You can use your hands so you can play.
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
And this is also good for their fine motor skills because you know they're using the spoon to scoop. They're using their hands to play. They're using their creativeness to play, imagination. Yeah.
and all the toys will be re-sanitized,
Yes.
so don't worry.
Yes, they will be cleaned and sanitized.
Where's your letter, Kai? This is your letter.
Yum. And we use big enough toys so that it's not a choking hazard. You know, if they put it in their mouth, they won't choke. It's big enough.
Mm-hmm. You like it? Did you taste
And
it?
you can use other toys in mine. I know I've seen some people put goldfish inside rather than toys. So they're able to eat the goldfish as well.
Mm-hmm.
And that is all for our sensory play today. We hope that you guys try it. And if you do, please send us your pictures. Let us know how it works for you, the different things you use. And yeah, that's it for today. Say thank you.
Say bye, friends. Say bye, Siggy. Bye.